So in today's video, we're going to do an unboxing of the SpaceX StarLink kit that is required for utilizing the service. I just received this about a day ago, so here's a little unboxing video, and I hope you all enjoy. So once we get past the packaging tape, we'll be able to get the box open, and let's see what we have inside. So right off the top, we have a three-step kind of guide to where the dish should go, where the modem should go inside your home, and then a recommendation of using the StarLink app in order to find not only the best placement for your dish, but also to verify the signal after you have everything connected. And here we get our first glimpse of what actually comes in the kit. So that is the dish's base cradle, basically, what we use to mount it on. This device here is what bridges the satellite to the home Wi-Fi device that they provide to you. Pretty standard plug. Any computer plug should probably work in it. Don't take my word for it. Verify. And this piece of equipment does not appear to have any type of weatherproofing to it, so it should be mounted indoors. Next, we have the actual access point. So this is what would provide Wi-Fi to a user. And interestingly, it has an auxiliary port on the back, which I hope will allow me to just directly connect a computer into it. I'm not a huge fan of Wi-Fi. And the cabling all seems to be pretty high-end Cat6 cabling with shielding throughout it. You actually see the ends there. They have the grounding tips on the Cat6 cables. Same goes for this cable, except this seems to be weatherproof. With good reason, since it's going to be outside. Next, we have a wonderful pamphlet of regulatory information in almost every possible language. So no doubt that will make for some good reading while waiting for whatever. Some very dry reading, I'm sure. I'm sure it'll be the first thing I read. And here's the dish itself. I was actually surprised it is not a concave dish, or at least it has a cover over it. A little different than, say, some of the dish service providers that I've seen before. And that's it for what's included in the kit. So we'll get this box out of the way in just a moment here. And as I'm assembling this, it's worth noting that this kit is approximately $500, which is, from what I've read, significantly down from some of the initial kits that they made. And SpaceX is, or I should say StarLink, is going to try to get the price for this kit down closer to about $150 from what it currently is today, as they work on optimizing and making it better and cheaper. So yeah, this is pretty much everything. We just simple, plug two things in. They do have an app that helps you find a good location to place the dish with good line of sight to the stars. The dish itself, out of the box, did not feel like it had any motion to it. But in reading some of the documentation, once it's up and connected and has power going to it, the dish actually has a motor in there, and it will orient itself to whatever constellation it can find. So I'll let you guys know more, once I have it fully connected. But I thought that was kind of interesting that the dish will move and align itself for the best possible signal. And that pretty much does it for our unboxing video. I will be setting this thing up shortly and seeing if I can get some good signal. Be connecting it to one of my computers and running some speed tests, as well as some other just kind of network utilities to get a feel for things like the latency on it, and some of these other things that I think will just be interesting. They do say this is a beta phase, so there may be times where there is no service. They're very clear about that, and that they're just trying to make improvements. But I felt like, since not many people may have seen this, I would share this with you, and I hope you enjoyed my unboxing video.